Hello again, everyone. Another exciting day here. I was out running some errands today and came home and found that the FedEx man had a delivery for me on the front porch, side porch. This is the ARB awning we've been waiting on, so we're going to get that unpacked and mounted on the trailer. So stay tuned and let's see how it goes. Alright, we finally got it unboxed. It did not take long at all. Just cut the end of it and it mostly slides out on its own, let gravity do the work. But here's what it comes with. It's the ARB Touring. It is a 2500 by 2500, which is 8 by 8 feet. So we've got a couple of pouches that everything came in. Got 4 stakes, 6 screws or bolts and nuts. Got a guy wire. Of course, the instruction manual, which I may or may not read. We've got this 12-volt cigarette plug-in. I'm not sure what that's for, but I will find out. It looks like the nuts just slide in to these channels here, like so, and then that bolts into your bracket. So one thing about the brackets, as you can see, it does not come with brackets, so you have to order those separately. So I did that. I ordered these from ARB 4x4 accessories, and they came in, so I'll open those up. Order 2 of them. And so this is what they look like. This is a very heavy duty bracket. It's got three holes in there for your bolts and nuts, and then it's got 3 holes there for where the awning clicks onto it. So I'm going to get these holes drilled into the roof rack bars, and I need to make a trip up to Lowe's to get the right drill bit and nuts and bolts for it. So I'm going to run do that, and when I get back, we'll start mounting it on the roof rack. Okay, made it back from Lowe's, so we're going to start drilling the holes now, and we'll see what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so we're back. It's the next day. We put the brackets on. It got late in the afternoon, and we decided to stop and so we could watch some football. So we're going to pick it up here and finish getting the awning onto the brackets. I got them on. I'll show those to you. So here are the 2 bolts going through with the nuts, and I got a washer on as well. There is one more. I don't know if I can show that to you. If you can see that, there's another hole back there. Yeah, there it is. I decided I'm going to go with just 2 for now. We'll see how that goes. That should hold it. I didn't feel like undoing all the nuts and bolts for the rooftop to slide it over to be able to drill. So I'm going to go with 2. So we're going to put that on here in just a minute and open it up and see how that goes. Alright, let's flip it over here. Alright, so this is, when I get it flipped over, this, what looks like the bottom track is actually going to be the top track. So I need to put 2 down here. One up there. And these slide real easy, so we'll be able to adjust it once we get it aligned up in there. We can center it up or have it more on and going in the back or more in the front. Just depends on what it looks like. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Put 2 in what looks like the bottom, but it's actually going to be the top once we get it flipped over. Okay, we brought the camper up to our makeshift camp spot in our backyard, so I'm going to enlist the help of one of my kids as we set this up. So we'll show you how easy that is to do. These Velcro straps to undo. Just let it fall. Let gravity do the work. Got it? And then what helps when you start to get it pulled as tight as possible, you'll just put some weight on it back here and just kind of lean back. Under here you have the side poles. And so you have a hole here to put the end in, and I'm just going to push out just to make sure it's as tight as possible. And then I'm going to tighten it up. I'll come over to the other side, do the same thing. All right, and so now you can just adjust the height as needed. All right, so once you get that set up, you want to just do these Velcro straps around the side poles just to pull it tighter, get it taut. And it's as easy to set up as that. So the awning came with a LED strip built into it. So let's take a look at that. So that's the white light. You can change them with a little remote on there. That's the amber to keep the bugs away. So you can change those colors with the little built-in remote that's on the cord. So that's it. This is the ARB 2500 by 2500 series awning. Very nice awning to install. Very easy to set up. Very easy to put back up. We'll be bringing you more on this as we go through our camping adventures. So if you want to see some of that, please consider subscribing to the channel, and thanks for watching.